Welcome back to Good Day Kansas, and for this Fashion Forward segment, we are here at K.Lanes with Chelity.
Hi.
I'm so excited because we have a huge day coming up.
I know. Our Christmas open house is launching November 13th. We will be here. It's a Sunday from noon to 4.
So we have lots of great things. I know we get asked all the time, do you have any Christmas shirts? Do you have any Christmas jewelry? And we always have to say, wait.
Be patient. Holiday open house. That's our debut.
And we also have something amazing that's going on. So these cards that we have, and they're not going to be mailers, so you actually have to come in the store to pick it out. But we do have 4 big days in November. And if you come to all of those days, if you want to turn that card around, we're going to mark off those little boxes that you've been there, and then you get to be entered into a what?
$500 shopping spree.
Now, I know I can spend $500 really fast just by going to that Mariana cabinet.
I can spend $500 just coming to work some mornings.
So let's talk about some of the things that we're going to be launching on our holiday open house.
Okay, so we'll have our holiday shirts.
Which is, you talk about your cute little pink.
Oh my gosh. So I've got Santa on. I love it. It's pink. It's vintage with the leopard. I love that look. So. And
I love how Diana has incorporated just a little bit of pink into this holiday. So when you come in, now I know the store's not decorated yet, but because we have our little elves that come in the night before and do all that. But there's going to be a lot of pink in this holiday as well. So, and of course, leopard, because that's another color for that one. So we do have that really cute leopard and all those wonderful colors, and of course just a little bit embellishment on that Christmas tree, and of course all the accessories to match. And then my shirt, of course, is the darker animal print. But, I mean, you always have to have a little glitter.
I know.
A little sparkle.
Jolly vibe.
Yes.
Glitter makes everything perfect.
And then, of course, who doesn't
I'm in love with that t-shirt.
Love a man with a beard. I mean, come on. So, and then I love how the background is just a little touch of the stars, but then again, a great cardigan to go over it. Like I said, there's just a lot of stuff.
Our jewelry, if you love to put on a holiday look with your jewelry, come in. We have necklaces, earrings, bracelets. Of course, our Aramish will be in for Christmas. Love it. That's
right. So a lot of the stuff is not going to be online. Normally we would say go to the Good Day Kansas tab, but you have to come in on November 13th from 12 to 4 for our holiday open house. Now, of course, if you can't make it in right after the holiday open house, we are going to put everything on the website, which you could go to is
www.k-lanes.com.
And always follow us on social media, Facebook and Instagram. More Good Day Kansas is coming up next.
Fashion Forward Tuesday is sponsored by K.Lanes Boutique, providing clothes that get you compliments.
What you wear is part of who you are. At K.Lanes Boutique, we're here to keep you on trend and make your fashion statement. K.Lanes stylists will help you choose from the latest and best in fashion from coast to coast. Our team are experts in helping you customize your style to your personality. Visit our website to see what we have for you at K.Lanes and come see us in store at the corner of Kellogg and Tyler. K.Lanes Boutique, where our clothes get you compliments. Shop with us and let the compliments commence.